भद्रक ब्लॉक अंतर्गत गेलपुर पंचायत ठारे ज्योति कन्वेंट स्कूल विज्ञान मेला अनुष्ठित हो जाइए। स्कूल समस्त छात्र छात्री उपस्थित रही कार्यक्रम को त्वरान्वित करथिले।
Filtered, stored and used later. It helps to save water, reduce water scarcity and protect the environment. Here the rainwater is collected and it is filtered. Some of the leaves and twigs are filtered here, and here the clean water is stored and it is used later for harvesting and for some of the household purposes. सोलर एनर्जी
कौन पाई एटा को काम लगे
आम जो सब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के आम जो सब वेस्ट कर ना सोल पावर लाइट
ज्योति कन्वेंट स्कूल जो प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे एटा कौन हॉस्पिटल प्रोजेक्ट कौन कुह ता विषय
हम ये जो जो माटी हम माटी हल ये जो बाड़ीटा अच्छे हल बाड़ीटा हल तारटा हल कि जो राउंड तार जाई बाज राउंड तार बाजिले सर्किट कम्प्लीट होलाराम बाज सेकेंड जो फायर अलर्ट अच्छी जिते निआ हम धुआं आसो ये निआटा आसी आगे लगे आलाराम सेन्स कर आलाराम आमको जना जे निआ थार्डली ये जो पानी आसो फ्लड आसो नट जो आसिक नट दिवर लगे नटा सर्किट क्लोज कर दो आउ बजर बाज
I am Father Alex Joseph, Principal of Jyoti Convent School.
कौन कहे जो प्रोजेक्ट कार्यक्रम अनुष्ठित होती आपन स्कूल ज्योति स्कूल कौन कहे ता विषय
Today we have conducted the science exhibition for the students from nursery to class 9. Actually, class students have actively participated in this scientific research, I would say, or a science exhibition. They have put a lot of creativity. They have put forward a lot of effort to make this day so beautiful, and some of the students have learned a lot of things from this project and they have done it extremely well, and I really appreciate the students who have done this project in their best way possible.
ज्योति स्कूल जो गुरुजन जो अच्छी छात्र छात्री मानक कौन वार्ता देवे आपण
We should learn more and more, not from textbook, from the experience, and this gives a lot of experience for the students to learn in a better way. They are doing it practically, what they have learned from the textbook. More than that, they read other sources to get more information. So that's the way children are growing, and that's the way children are developing in the scientific research and even learning process. So I appreciate all the students who have participated in it, and I also encourage the students more and more to learn multiple things, and they will have a taste of experiments, they will have a taste of scientific research. So that's the message I would say. Please continue to do multiple things in their life to learn more things.
सर सब वर्ष पर ए प्रोजेक्ट कार्यक्रम होची ना एई वर्ष नूतन भाव में करा जाउची
No, every year we used to have it, and every year one day we dedicate for the students to do this project so that they will learn and they will be doing some research work and they will learn to do the things what they have learned through the textbooks.
First of all, I would like to wish everyone a very good morning, and I am Dipanvita Mahapatra of class 9 of Jyoti Convent School.
कौन कहे आज जो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं कि आप आसचंदी पिला माने देखुचंदी सौ छात्री आज छात्र छात्री माने माने ताकर मन बहुत खुशी अच्छी गार्डियन भी आसचंदी कौन कहे ता विषय
This project was planned from so many days. So many students have put their hard work, creativity, and a lot of efforts is also made in this project. Everyone has made something or the other thing, and they have also done it good. Marking is going on, and everyone is preparing. So it's a really amusing day, and it's exciting also to see so many projects to learn their point of view, learn what they learn, and also to emphasize the improvement of science and technology here. And this project is not only of science, all subjects we're promoting. We're doing of SST also, of English. We can do everything.
विज्ञान जो आज प्रोजेक्ट कार्यक्रम अनुष्ठित होची जो पिलामाने छोट छोट पिलामानकु कौन कहबे आपण तो जेते हेले नवम श्रेणी पढ़ुछंती छोट छोट ताठारु जो अछंती तांकु कौन वार्ता देबे आपण?
The only thing I would like to say is that never let your creativity die. Creativity is there in everyone, innovation is there in every person, so you should let that come up. Let your ideas combine with your creativity. Let develop more projects, participate more. Winning is not important. Participation is the most important thing. More participation, it gives a good environment. That is what I would like to inform them. You should participate, have some fun, enjoy this exhibition.
विज्ञान विभिन्न प्रकार सामग्री पिलामाने आनी किपरि हुए काहींकी हुए समस्त विषय छात्र छात्री आलोकपात करथिले। स्कूल रो प्रधान शिक्षक प्रत्येक छात्र छात्री मानक प्रोजेक्ट को ठीक भाबरे परखुथिले। शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री माने प्रथम श्रेणी हरु दशम श्रेणी पिलामानक बुझाउथिले। भल भल प्रोजेक्ट उपरे तर्जमा करा जाउथला। छोट पिलामानक भविष्यत अति सुंदर भाबे गढ़ी तोलिबा पई स्कूल रो प्रधान शिक्षक कहिथिले। पिलामानक बापा मां उपस्थित रही कार्यक्रम को सफल कराइथिले। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट संपूर्ण न्यूज ओडिया।
आम संपूर्ण न्यूज ओडिया चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भूलिए।